Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to turn off the earn badges on YouTube. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account to access your personalized settings. Step 2. Within the YouTube app, look for your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Next, on your profile page, click on the settings icon, which you can find at the top right corner. This will open the settings menu where you can customize various options. Step 4. In the settings menu, scroll until you find the general option at the top of the screen. Then click on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu until you see the Earn Badges option at the bottom of the screen. This option is currently enabled. Step 6. Finally, simply tap on the Earn Badges option to turn it off. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the Earn Badges on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.